Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and access. Park on flat ground, shut off the engine, remove the key, and put on safety goggles and gloves. Once done, remove terminal covers and brush away corrosion using a baking soda solution so you don't contaminate cells. Next, locate the battery's filler caps or vent covers and clear any dirt around them. Make sure to pry caps gently so you don't spill electrolyte or break plastic while you begin the inspection. With caps open, use a flashlight to inspect each cell. You want the plates to be covered by about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, 1/4/1/2 in of electrolyte. If any cell is below that line, add distilled water slowly, pour a little at a time so you don't overflow. If you have a hydrometer, draw electrolyte and measure specific gravity to assess state of charge. Make sure to record each cell reading so you can spot a failing cell versus a uniformly low charge. Once levels are correct, replace each cap securely, wipe the battery top and terminals dry, and snap terminal covers back in place to prevent shorts. If the battery was low, charge it fully and then recheck water levels after charging. Distilled water may be required again because charging stirs and raises electrolyte. If you see exposed plates or cell-specific gravities differ by more than 0.100, stop and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.